Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the rules of subject-verb agreement. First, we will recall what we have learnt in the previous video. What is subject-verb agreement? For a sentence to be grammatically correct, the subject and verb must agree in number. The most basic rule of subject-verb agreement is that with the singular subject we will use singular verb and with plural subject we will use plural verb. This is the most basic rule of subject verb agreement and the rule follows if the subject is third person. For example, he plays guitar. Here he is singular subject and plays is singular verb. They play guitar. They is the plural subject and play is the plural verb. If we are using s or es with verb, that means it is a singular verb. So plays is a singular verb and play is plural verb. So the first rule is for two or more singular subjects that are connected with and, we will use a plural verb. For example, Anjali and his brother are at school. Here, Anjali and his brother are two singular subjects that are connected with and, so we are using are as a verb. Rakesh and Rohan were playing. Here also, Rakesh and Rohan are two singular subjects connected with and for this we are using verb that is a plural verb. But there is an exceptional case in this rule that if two of the subjects are expressing a single idea, then we will use a singular verb. For example, bread and butter is his favorite food. Bread and butter are expressing a single idea, so we are using singular verb that is. Second example, slow and steady wins the race. Here also slow and steady is expressing a single idea, so we are using a singular verb that is wins. Rule number 2. For more than one singular subject joined by or, nor, either or neither nor, we will use a singular verb. For example, neither Sonu nor his sister was present there. Here, Sonu and his sister are two singular subjects connected with nor. Here we are using a singular verb that is was. Second example, either cat or dog is behind the bushes. Here cat and dog are two singular subjects joined by or and here we are using the singular verb that is. Rule number 3. If the person of the subject is different and they are joined by or, nor, either or, neither nor, the verb should agree with the subject next to it. For example, either Rahul or his friends have broken the glass. Here, two subjects Rahul and his friends and we are using the verb as have that is agree with his friends. Second example, neither he or I have done work. Rule number 4. The use of words like each, every, many, everyone takes a singular verb. For example, each day is precious. Here, the word is starting with each, so we are using a singular verb. Many a boy has done so. Every girl in the class was rewarded. Here the words each, many, every are here, so we are using singular verb. Rule number 5. For nouns like news, physics, mathematics that appear in plural form but have singular meaning, we use singular verb. For example, mathematics is my favorite subject. Here we are using is that is singular verb with mathematics. The news is true. Rule number 6. For subjects which are singular but have plural meaning, we use plural verb. For example, 1 dozen banana cost 100 rupees. Here 1 dozen is a singular subject but it means 12 bananas, which is plural subject. So we are using plural verb, that is cost. Second example, the couple are going out next month. Here the couple is singular but it is referring to two. So we are using a plural verb. Rule number 7. For nouns like spectacles, pants, shoes, trousers, we use a plural verb unless they are preceded by a pair of. For example, her shoes are very uncomfortable. Here we are using plural verb, that is are, with shoes. Second example, a pair of shoes was provided to all sportsmen. Here we are using singular verb, that is was, with a pair of shoes. Rule number 8. With words representing a fixed distance, weight or amount, we will use a singular verb. For example, 1 lakh rupees is a high price to pay. 1 lakh rupees is referring or representing a fixed amount. Here we are using singular verb, that is. 3 miles is too far to walk. Here 3 miles is a fixed distance, so here we are using singular verb. Thanks for watching the video. If you like my video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel.